If you've got a sweet tooth, then this is going to be right up your alley. There's nothing better than ice cream, but watching it being made comes in as a close second. It's time to view the process from start to end. Buckle up for a sweet and satisfying ride. The chocolate dipped ice cream is just so relaxing to watch. These behind the scenes shots of making ice cream makes you want to try whipping up some yourself. Raspberry Ripple has been around since 1920 and has become an all-time favourite.